So, hi, today I want to sketch a washing machine by using 2 points view perspective. Start with vertical line and put the cylinder in the middle of the cube. I will use two basic shapes, the cube and cylinder. And as you know, the cylinder, it's also could be the circle, and circle on the side became an ellipse. So we put front door, elliptic, and then interface on the top. I'm using this pen to create the shadows, regular ball pen, black one, quite useful for those fast sketches. Some interface details. Let's connect the interface with the front door. More shadow on bottom to create the feeling of the kind of bubble shape. And remember, all details that closer to you in perspective should have more contrast. Okay, let's move and try one more design on same paper sheet with integrated interface with the door. In this case, I will push the door a little bit deeper inside of this shape, and okay, the top and bottom. On the side, as you can see, I put the radius. Two vertical lines will help to understand that I have radius there. There is some detail on the bottom. So in general, my design is done. Now I can work on some details. By using those lines, I can show you. Actually, it's very useful to show the geometry of the shape. The shadow or reflection also could be used to show that the product standing on the floor. That, yeah. Okay, let's do one more, like pure cylinder, like old washing machine, very old. Front, top elliptic, maybe some panel on the back, interface, some buttons there. So on the cylinder, if you bring the shadow on the one side, a little bit reflection, details beneath, and shadow underneath again to put this product on the floor. To increase contrast with shadow. Yeah, nice. Looks like we're missing something. Yeah, let's break the front with one more panel, and this panel will be plastic in different colors, so I give this more contrast by pressing my pen. Actually, you can use also the black marker to make the line around the product, around your sketch. Let's take another one more stronger. Yeah, much better, like that. By doing this, it's actually very good practice in design sketching. You kind of increasing the contrast of all details, helping to understand the design. Don't be afraid to use thick markers all about training, for me as well. More contrast. You can understand this part of much more reflection. And the shadow on the front. Let's start to understand it. Maybe it's thick glass or so. I think we're done. Maybe not. Maybe one more here. Yes. And shadow from this frame inside the window. Then to contrast the bottom of the product. Shadow. As you can see, again, I mentioned it before, I'm moving from corner to corner, trying to create all the sketch at the same time. Yeah. Okay. Don't try to think about your design and then to draw this. Actually, the purpose of the sketching, it's all about thinking process. When you draw, you think about your design, so you actually have answers. Okay, so we're almost done, and feel free to contact, ask your questions, and propose new ideas for next videos. Thank you.